Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the versatile United Solutions Easy Access Storage Rope Handle Tub, a 19-gallon wonder designed for both indoor and outdoor use. This durable plastic bin features two heavy-duty nylon rope handles, making it a breeze to transport between rooms or garages, while its rugged construction ensures it stands the test of time. Whether you're hosting an outdoor party and need a cooler or ice chest, or you're looking for a practical solution for bathing pets, hauling laundry, or gardening, this tub has got you covered. Its generous capacity and stackable design make it an ideal choice for organizing your home, garden, tool shed, or garage, offering a seamless blend of functionality and convenience. With dimensions of 22.25 inches in length and width and 16.5 inches in height, and weighing just 3.5 pounds, it's the perfect size for a multitude of tasks. The easy-to-clean plastic material allows for quick rinsing, ensuring your tub stays in top condition for all your storage needs. So, enhance your daily efficiency and organization with the 19-gallon rope-handled tub, a must-have for every household. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.